free online money maker. What up, YouTube? What up? All right, let's get back to it. You know how we do, grinding out every single day. I told you guys I'm about to start putting these videos out left and right. I told you guys just trust the process, and we will get where we need to get to. All right, Prize Rebel cash out coming up right now. All right, let's do a quick cash out now, so that way. Cause I was just looking at the rewards. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Look at the rewards. And when I was looking at the rewards, I saw that they only had $5 and $100 available. So probably all the all the members took all the. Oh, there you go. Just reloaded it. I just came here like 2 seconds ago, right before I started this video, and they didn't have these available. I'm gonna take the 15 right now. We out here. I'm gonna do a quick $15 cash out right now, real quick, people, real smooth. Two clicks of a button, you got $15. Go into your PayPal, and it'll be there in an hour. It'll be there in an hour. Now you can see my stats right here on the side. Current balance $54.94. Um, points earned today $5.95. Points earned yesterday $9.52. This is one of my biggest days in a while. Every day is like $2, $4, $5 every single day. Off referrals and off any little small things that I do. But yesterday was a big day. Points earned this month on 95. Points earned this year $425.95. All right, 100% free. I think I made over $6,000 on this since day one. So, like I said, free income. It's not gonna change your life making. Well, it probably will change your life making $5 to $15 every single day. But like I said, you gotta let it build. You gotta let it build. Cash out as soon as you get to your $5 threshold. Cash out. Let it build in a different account. Let that build. Once you have enough money to fund what you gotta fund, there it goes. You got free money to fund whatever you need to fund on the side. Alright, so this is every single day. This is what I use to get right on the basis. Alright, I'll give you a quick update. Rebels. First thing you do when you sign up, use the link in the description. So you get a bonus. Alright, use the link in the description so you get a bonus. Follow steps right here to the T. Watch my other tutorials. I break these down in more depth and more detail. And if you watch my old videos, you gotta remember, guys. Like sometimes if you guys feel like you need an extra, watch my old videos. I was in the mix more. I was doing surveys every single day, 20, 40, 50, 60 surveys a day, just banging them, bringing in 20, 40 every single day non-stop. You know what I'm saying? So watch those videos. I might give you have better tips and tricks, different insights, and different ways that you can attack this site. All right, that's what you want to do. When you get on these free sites, you just want to attack. You want to go offense all day on offense. As soon as you got spirit, I'm going to go offense. All right, as you can see, dive right back into the PayPal. Not yet. Right, money is not in yet. About 4 minutes and counting on the video, about 5 minutes so far, and we'll see how long it takes for this to come. We'll see if this comes in within the next 15 minutes. Let's go back to Prizerebel real quick. All right, so now first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use my link in the description so you get a bonus and future bonuses. Second, you're gonna come down here. You're gonna download the Prizerebel extension. Download it. They're gonna give you free every single day. All you have to do is check. All right, they're gonna put the screen down right here. They're gonna send you notifications right here. Check the notification. They're gonna send you a promo code. You're gonna put the promo code in here to go and you get free money. Points is money, so you get free money coming out. First step, go to your top paid service. Sample top paid service, all right? Diane, top paying service, all right? If you don't like service, you want to get away from service, you need some time away, go to Peanut Labs. Those are tasks. Go on this website, go sign up for sign up offers and stuff like that. Right? So you can go to Peanut Labs. And the thing you want to do is you want to scroll down just the main home screen when you click Prizerebel here. All right, you always want to come down here and you have all sorts sitting here. Look, it's $4.22, $2.11, $2.11. Threshold to cash out $5. So if you come in and you do one of these, you're already at $6.33 already doing 2 surveys. Now this survey might take 10 minutes. This survey might take 15 minutes, right? Bang it out real quick. You at home doing nothing in your pajamas. Bang it out real quick. Get the money in your account. You got $5 in your account. Cash it out. You see, you got the goal right here, reward goal. I used to always put $5. I left this here ever since like day one. I used to always put $5. I just want to get $5 every single day off the site. All right, so now Prizerebel used to pay me $150 every month from Prizerebel. I did the same thing with another site. That's $300 a month. I did the same thing with another site. I had 3 sites that I make $5 a month. I make $5 a day every single day on. 3 sites, 100% free. I earn $5 on each site. That's $15 a day. That's $450 a month. This is what I was doing. I know it sounds crazy, but this is what I was doing. I add that $450 to my monthly income when it comes to my. But guess what? With my 9 to 5 check, I'm spending it, bills, everything like that. No money left. So now I got the $450 coming, right? You see what I'm saying? So you always gotta have something inside. I got $15 coming in every single day. That's gonna help me at the end of the week. It's gonna help me at the end of the week. All right. So you always want to grind, always want to kick, push, and scratch and do what you gotta do. Now, when you come down here, go to surveys on your main screen. Come down here. These are top paying surveys. You see how high? You see how high the money is? You see how high the money is on the earnings on each one? See that? $2, $3. Look at this survey right here. $8.60. So my thing is, I always would go for super top paying surveys. For like $8 right here, 60 cents, I'm clicking that. $6.45, I'm clicking that. Why? You do one survey, you cash out, just one. See that? So you gotta use it and think about that. All right, let me just try to bang this out. Now, if it's a long survey, it's taking forever, go for the small surveys. Small surveys might be so easy where you just bang them out. Now, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the surveys. All right. Now, when you do your surveys, you always have to make sure you answer their questions correctly. What do I mean by that? Your profile questions. The actual set of profile questions, the same questions are going to ask you on every single survey. When the first survey comes, it's going to be profile questions. Past the profile questions, is going to open up to opinion questions about the survey. Once you bang that out and get through that, the survey is going to open up. When the survey opens up, that's when you have automatic money coming in, and every single question is going to be guided to a specific topic or criteria or ad or whatever, right? So that way you're going to know that, oh, okay, this is the survey now. But when it first starts off, it's going to ask you profile questions. You're going to pass that. So if you always do surveys, right, and you always get kicked out in the first like 2 minutes, 1 minute of you doing a survey, that means you're not answering your profile questions correctly. Go back into your profile, see what you put. If you say you put $50,000 a year, don't say you make $60,000. It's going to kick you out. If you say you drive a Benz and they ask you a question and you put Toyota, they're going to kick you out. So you have to answer these correctly. That's the number one. Number two, what your surveys is, right? When you get the survey, when you dive into a survey, like if I had to click this and dive into it, they give members a certain amount. So you always get kicked out. Other members completed it before you. So if they have 1,000 of these surveys, with this number right here, 42750-859, they have 10,000 of these. The first 10,000 members that complete it is going to get the money. Period. You could be doing it while somebody else is going, they hang it out before you, and then get kicked out and you don't make no money. It happens sometimes, right? That's why I tell you guys, when you do your survey, concentrate, focus, and just bang out the survey quick, 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, just bang it out. You're done. Money in the account. This is what I used to do every single day, grinding people at night. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So now I get my earnings just straight off referral every single day, just something coming in, right? But it's not crazy, but it's something. So on an everyday basis, you want to use that to fund what you got to fund on the side. Every single day, that's what you want to do. All right. So once you go here, you go to another place, you go to daily surveys. All right. So it's gonna be a first 5 steps. Use the link in the description. Use my link. Get future two, this Prizerebel you're gonna come here, you're gonna click this, you're gonna download this Prizerebel extension. Alright, go to Prizerebel Chrome web store, it costs nothing, it's 100% free. Add it to Chrome. It's done now. Add this extension right here. All right, now look. Now once I add that, you see that comes down. Let's see. Now it's right here already. Use this extension by clicking on the icon. Already downloaded it. Why did it go away? There you go. I put pin on there. So now this is how it's gonna look once you download the extension. Once you download the extension, it's gonna show you how much your current points is at. So right now I got $54.94. Lifetime points right here. It's gonna show you today, what you made today. 95. Show how much you made yesterday. How much you made this month. Alright, so guys gotta understand, like, this is power. It just comes in, just click it, you free break. So it's just every single day you want to add stuff and use it to help you out on the side. Alright, so let's dive in here to PayPal, refresh this, see if this came in. And it says within an hour, there it goes. So it did come in. Alright, so CashOut came in already. So like I said, you got, and look, another set of earnings came in. Look, referral earnings. Congratulations, you earned referral points. So somebody just completed a survey right now that signed up under my, and I just got some points for it. So let's go to Prizerebel and let's refresh it and see how many points. Sometimes the points don't come as fast. You gotta wait. Sometimes it might not be updated right here, like right this second. So it's not updated here yet. So it'll probably take another like 5-10 minutes. I'll keep refreshing it and I'll see the update right here. Alright, so like I said, people, you saw the proof right there in the corner. Like, it's proof that these sites that work every single day. They work. I've been using for years. Keep them there and just keep going at it. Continue to attack this site. This site is free money every single day. You can get gift cards and niggas is running home screen. You see how I'm scrolling down? These won't stop, people. Look, loading more offers. These don't stop. Loading more offers. And you can come here, you can click this. Offer walls. You can come over here. Earn perks while you sleep for your family friends, right? Like I said, don't worry about sharing your link first. First, worry about cashing out. Worry about money. Once you get money in your pocket, you show people like, look, I'm using this. I make extra bread. Now they're gonna send you. Now you can send your link out. You can share with them, and they can send it to you, and you